How to change theme in TradeLocker application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. TradeLocker makes it easy to personalize the app's appearance so that you can trade comfortably with a theme that suits your style. First of all, launch open the TradeLocker application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and in the pop-up appearing at the bottom of the screen, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Theme. You'll see a couple of different theme options available: the light mode, dark mode, and auto option. Select your preferred theme from the list, and once you are done, you can head back and you will see you have successfully changed your theme according to your preference. So that's how you do it. You can always come back to the same page, which is the settings, and inside the theme, and you can switch to any theme whenever you prefer. So that's how you change the theme in the TradeLocker app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video with more easy tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.